Python variables. Understanding Python variables. Variables are fundamental in programming as they allow you to store, retrieve, and manipulate data. In Python, variables are easy to use and understand due to Python's simple and intuitive syntax. This section will cover how to define, assign, and work with variables in Python. What is a variable? A variable is a named location in memory used to store data. You can think of a variable as a container that holds information that can be referenced and manipulated within a program. Declaring a declaring and assigning a variable. In Python, you do not need to declare a variable explicitly. You can create a variable the moment you first assign a value to it. Let us see the syntax of the variable. We have like syntax. It is like variable name equal to value. Let us see one example. X equal to 10. We have variable x and value 10. It is in integer. We can print value of x, which is we get the value 10. We have like name alice in string format, float, and boolean. We can assign it variable in string format. Alice price is active boolean. We can print these values. Variable naming rule. When naming variables in Python, follow these rules. Variable names must start with a letter like A to Z, small or capital A to Z, or an underscore. The rest of the variable name can contain letters, numbers, or underscore. Variable names are case sensitive, like age and small age and capital H are different. Age and age are different variables. Avoid using Python reserved keywords like for, while, if, else, etc. as a variable name. Let us see the example of valid variable names. We will see the example of valid variable names. Is equal to, now we will see this. We can print as it will be printed. These are the variable valid. Now we have score. Start with underscore. Example of invalid variable name. We can't assign variables values to these variables because it starts with numbers. These are invalid variables, unlike without underscore invariable invalid variable names. And if is a reserved word, we can't use it as a variable. We will see dynamic typing. Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning you don't need to declare the type of a variable. The interpreter assigns the type based on the value assigned to a variable. Let us see an example of dynamic type language. Dynamically typed x equal to 10. Now we will assign x equal to hello. If we print x, it will print the result of hello because this is dynamically typed language. Now we will see multiple assignments. You can assign values to multiple variables in a single line. Let us see how to assign variables values to multiple variables in a single line. Multiple values, multiple variables. First, in a single line, a comma b comma c equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. You can also assign the same value to multiple variables. You can see print of a, print of b, print of c. We can have result as 1 2 3. We can assign same value to multiple variables. Now we will print a, print b, print c. Now we will print the result as 0 0 0 for print a, print b, c. Same results. Now we will see variable types. Python support various data types for variables. Here now we will see some common variable types. We will see integers. We have like is equal to 30 and float is equal to 12.0. Now we have strings name equal to Alice. Same way we have boolean. We can see boolean is active. True. We have list numbers 1 comma 2 comma we can have list of numbers, and we have apples. We have 10 comma 20. We have dictionaries person equal to name John, and this age is static. So these are different variable types. Python supports various data types or variables. These these are some of the common types. Now we will see type conversion. Sometimes you may need to convert one data type to another. Python provides built-in functions for type conversions. Let us see the examples of type conversions. Like we have type conversions x equal to 5. Now y equal to string we will take 10. Y equal to int of y. Let us convert into integer. Result we will add result. Now we will add x and y. Here we take x as integer, here y as string. Now we will convert this string into integer using type conversion. Now we will add both the results and sorry, we will print the result. and we have 15 here. So common type conventions are string, int, float, bool. So understanding variables is essential for any Python programmer. Variables allows you to store, manipulate, and access data efficiently. By following the rules and best practice for available naming and assignment, you can write clean, readable, and effective Python